like it should never happen again. And the uh, the innocent souls who have lost their lives in this crash, they like God will give them to a peace and sound to their family also, because their family are also facing a very pain, like they are suffering through a pain and emotionally going through it. So may God give them a peace there. So yeah, this should be not happen again, we can say here, because it is a very tragedy like we can say it is a tragedy. Okay. Yes, so we can start from Prince. Yes, Prince.
So, firstly, very good evening to all of you and ma'am. Uh, Means yesterday I saw also from that particular news. I got that news from my friend. He is the news anchor in the
Yes.
public Bharat. So I got from them in real recording. So yesterday what happened in 12 June and we can say that the day was not good for those who means travel in air means air means travel in aeroplane. So yesterday 246 people are there in the flight. Whatever I got data from there, 240 two people means in airplane and 241 people uh, died after the plane crash.
Yes.
Only one person is safe. He jumped from the airplane before मैम इन हिंदी टकराने को क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में
In Hindi, we call it.
मैम योर वॉइस इज नॉट क्लियर
I think in Hindi, anybody knows what we call it. Actually, I also did not remember right now. Okay.
मैम the airplane is uh, nearby the hostel, nearby the hostel. Means what is the meaning of hostel? Ma'am, 1 second, please give me. I search
Yes,
my
it
laptop.
means okay. I'm sharing with you. It means to collide. To collide.
What, ma'am?
To collide.
To collide.
To collide. Collide. Basically
Collide.
collide. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. The plane is flying before he jumped, and he saved his life from that plane crash uh, emergency. So the person is Mr. Vishwas Kumar. Vishwas Kumar. He's from British. He came India. He go from Brit. He yesterday he go from British. So that's why he just jumped from there before plane crash and he saved his life. And ma'am, 241 people was died there because of it is
Yes.
not a airplane company mistake. It is the some right now the temperature of uh, the temperature of the weather this time that is so high means you use scooters vehicle and there is a lot of things that people use and I know only 10 to 20 minutes you ride that scooters and everything. So the scooters engines and everything is heat a lot. So this is the problem, not a Air Indigo, not a any air company. Just the problem of weather. It is whether I do so people get the means sometime we can say that ma'am I will try to explain it. I will
Okay.
try to explain. Yes. in the weather, in the high weather, there means yes. Uh, you know, ma'am. Right now, I have example. Yesterday, I ride my bike, and the bike only 10 to 20 minutes outside. I go with ride by bike, and so there is I saw the engine and everything. Bike is heat a lot. So this is the problem of weather. In the plane crash. The reason behind of that weather high better, so that's why plane got crashed.
Okay.
Ma'am, I will try my best. I am not a good speaker, ma'am, but I will try.
Okay, so here, thank you so much, Prince, for sharing. And nobody is like I could say, nobody is here perfect. We all are trying to be perfect. That is the reason we are doing here practice.
Ma'am, ma'am, and you know one thing from there, means Tata Group gives the 1 lakh, 1 lakh for every people who died in that plane crash.
Yes, I know. I think not
But
one
ma'am,
lakh,
no one
1
can
crore
say. I
to
know that.
each family, like who have lost. Yes, 1 crore.
No.
Yes. Okay. Thank you so much, Prince. Yes, Pushpadi.
Okay, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. Today topic is recent topic, or it's burning nowadays. It was a yesterday topic, and it is very pathic situation. So the people face a lot. So I don't have too much idea about it because there's very less data here. Means whatever I have grabbed from news, so I'm telling here. So 20 20 224 people were there in that plane, and all these only one is safe, and only one is safe, and all the passengers are died. So what was the reason? What was the issue in that plane? It's under the investigation now. So somebody used to say there is a problem of and there there means I don't know what is the right word there, but it's totally under the investigation, and
Yes.
rescue is also going on. Ma'am, that's it from myself. Whatever I know, so ma'am, I shared here.
Okay. Well, right. Thank you so much. Yes, Anita Di.
So, good evening, all.
Okay.
Uh, but I don't know about it very much. So, whatever I have see in a uh, reels or news, so I just uh, explain those things in my word. So, there is some reason like maybe some birds or any kind of thing maybe collide to with the airplane,
Okay.
or maybe the load was overload. That is, I hope it is one reason of in this, or like maybe the pilot do not open the wing properly, which is a very important thing. So maybe. So I think there are there are maybe many reasons for this crash, but we don't know about it exactly. So, but I know one thing, ki, there is in the plane there is one kind of box which is record all the things. If the box is not destroyed, so after that we can
Okay.
get all the things what is the reason about it, or it is very disaster situation for those
Okay.
peoples who are actually facing who are actually facing this thing, this situation, and they lost their family member in this incident. So it is very tragedy. Maybe it's not happening again. We just pray to God. So
Okay.
that's it, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much, Aditi, for sharing. Okay, so as I have a knowledge, like I have researched over it, around 15 minutes I have researched over it, like I read it. So I get to know like on June 12, like 2025 means yesterday, Air India flight AI-171 flying from London to Ahmedabad and crashed during the final approach to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport. So this airport means Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport is in Ahmedabad, and the flight is taken to Ahmedabad to London. Okay, this is the current. I'm telling the situation on that time, like where the flight is going, and in Ahmedabad, like there were around 204 people. Like as I have researched, where I get to know, sorry, 204 people were on boarded, but means 204 people were traveling, but exactly around as I know, as I heard in our news, where 242 people, including crew members also, captain also, they were around 242 plus people. Wait, एक second. Okay, sorry, sorry for that. So there were around 242 people who were on boarding on that flight, and they all are died because of the crash. Only one people, I think one, yes, one person is survived. I know, I don't know about who, like I haven't researched over it who is the survival, but apart from that, as I am sharing here, so like the crash happened in rural area basically, like not in rural area, close to the rural area, where the airport are about 7 kilometers away. Okay, so that place was a rural area, and some house and farm field nearby were also damaged. Obviously if the plane crash, like aircraft, anything, any disaster things will be happen, and so it will definitely destroy the surrounding the area. So that is also happened where, but the thing is that nobody survived in this. Just uh, they just own boarding, means they just taken the flight, and after 2 minutes the flight was like we can say the flight was just coming towards the earth. So nobody get to know, and nobody can't do in this situation, I think, because they get very less time to prepare themselves in this in this trouble. So that is the reason only one person is survived, no, nobody else. So yeah, this is the thing which can be happen. And if I talk about like what will be the reason, as Anitadi has shared, uh, uh, like any bird or any bird, maybe it comes towards the or maybe in front of the plane. So it can be the reason also, but it is very small reason, and because of this tragedy incident never happened. So I think this is a very small reason for it. It is not a complete reason. I maybe the technical issues will be there, and as Prince has shared, so like Prince has shared about the high temperature, but in Ahmedabad on that time rain was happening. Like we are living in Delhi, like I am living in Delhi basically, so here the temperature is very high. Yesterday I checked, around 51.3 degrees Celsius was the temperature yesterday. Now today it has decreased, but in Ahmedabad they were raining. It means temperature is very less. So it is not about the high temperature, maybe it can be a technical issue, and basically it is the reason for it. Technical issue, maybe there may be pilot has any kind, like maybe he got any trouble and he was not able to understand what in this situation what he can do, or maybe because of the weather or extreme weather condition, extreme bad weather condition, he is not able to get, or uh, he is not able to get the information to their technical we can say technical support, means uh, captain. They also have their technical team where they guide it, about the temperature, about the uh, locality, like where they have to let if they are getting any trouble, and in emergency if they have to take a like they have to own boarding on it. So basically they have their technical support team. So maybe they were not able to maybe it can also be happen, I'm not saying maybe it will be true, but it can be also happen, maybe they were not able to guide the pilot properly, it can also be the reason. But the thing is that about it is the Air India uh, airline, okay, means India, in India, that is a plane of India, not any other countries. So the technical parts and the everything that is made in India, because it is, hope you are understanding, like we also have a Indigo, we also have a Air Express, they are from the another countries, and they're the technical or mechanical parts of that plane were made in other countries, that is not from made in India. So this plane is totally completely India's plane, and the mechanical, like mechanical parts also were made in India. And you will not believe, when our prime minister or president, if they have to go somewhere in any other country, they also use the same airline. So now we can think it, how, like it is a very biggest mistake if any technical issues were there. So that is a very big mistake, and this is the reason many people have lost their life without their mistake basically. So yeah, maybe people were feeling unlucky because they have lost their life without any reason, because of some stupidity we can say, if there is any technical issue and they were not able to get it. Yes, there are so many reasons I could say, but yeah, as Pushpadi has shared, the rescue is already going on. Nobody knows what happened exactly. So yeah, anybody else? I will share more things later on. Yes, Nitin.
In that airplane had two, not 242 as you share that. Uh, uh, I think in but one Canadian is there, or I think 50 or 53 people who belong from British, or I think 170 or 165, maybe something. Those are Indians, or rest of the people. Uh, those people were those who actually the plane collide with a hospital. So rest of the people were those like doctors or nurse or any staff, other staff. I think
Yes.
those people dead from that hospital.
Okay. Got it. Okay. Yes, Prince.
Yes, ma'am. If I'm talking about yesterday's dead, dead, what call dead means how many people was died there? 243, and in there one means 70 Putgali also there. They come from other country, and they come from Puttgal, and one is and there is in there is a 13 peoples from British, I think so. Yesterday I got this news, so I just think only and same peoples means few people in which hospital that to float the flight, crash the flight. In there, people eat at the food in that time, uh, and
Okay.
the people and their people also died. There I think so 38, 35 people are died after the plane crash, because in that we can see that uh, canteen, there are a lot of people are eating the food. There are 30 to 38 people,
Okay.
and they also got injury, and some was uh, uh, and few people were dead there, died there. And ma'am, it is not issue of, I think so, yeah, it is the issue of some technical, because India not made
Yes.
that, means airplane use technical part. In India, there is no technical part sell in India. Any flight. It is come from China, it is come from London, it is come
Yeah.
from others country. They purchase, man, something they have. India has something. India not make the laptop. India not make the proper laptop. Lenovo and we can say that Lenovo and few laptops India made. I know that, but whatever you take the ThinkPad, and there are Apple's laptops. It comes from others country, I think so. The part not the what we can say that not making in India. They just give the name of India, but in India there is no part. You know,
Okay.
ma'am, in here people make the people think about the people study in India, and they just leave from they just after 2 and 3 years, they they just become the something. They just go away from other country, and they work for other country, not for India. So that is the
Okay.
reason that yesterday's plane crash, because that some technical issue related to, because that is the some part is China the made. So that is not never believe in China. So I don't go for any particular country, and I not claim any particular country. I just claim some technical issue, not for India. It is come from some part of airplane. It is China or other country, I think. So that's why, ma'am. And I am sorry, ma'am, I speak a lot.
Okay, so I have a counterpoint for you. As you have shared, it is like the mechanical parts were purchased by the China and other country. That is completely wrong, because I have researched over it. And I also have shared with you when Prime Minister and any president who have to, like, if I talk about my country, Mr. Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister currently. If he has to go in any other country, he will use the airline, which flight is aircraft. Okay, yesterday. So why they are using? Because this is totally made in India. Every part of this airplane, mechanical part, it is made in India. That is the reason they are using it. And maybe that is also a reason of the technical issue, because this is made in India, and we know India is not that much developed country. If we compare this country to the another country, means China, Japan, and many other countries. Okay, America. Uh, uh, Prince, can you please mute yourself? Prince, can you mute yourself? Yeah. Okay. So yeah, this is the thing, because I have researched over it. That is the reason I am sharing with you. And as you have shared, there is a technical issue. I am completely agree with you. It can be happen, because nobody knows right now what happens today on that day. So when we can say, when pilots can't see the properly, they have to depend fully on their instruments and air support system, like airport support system, and that is true. If they are not able to see anything, whatever in front of, like in, we can say when they are flying, a captain is flying the flight, and in between that but we call it badal in English, I don't know. So sometimes happens because of the weather, extreme weather, bad weather condition, they can't able to, yes, cloud. I know, this time I was not able to remember it. Yes, cloud. So that is the reason they are, when they are getting any problem, they just contact to their airport's support system. So from there they are just trying to hold him, like they are just guiding them, like where you have to move, if you have to take any emergency landing, then where you will take a emergency landing, they properly support it here. So we can say, yeah, maybe they are not able to uh, like they were not able to mislead, like they, maybe they mislead, that is the reason I'm saying. Maybe the support system, like airport support system, they mislead the captain, maybe it can be the reason of the crash. And like we can say, landing gear failure will also be the reason, because we know, like in, like big planes like Byonging, it is also a plane, and in every plane we can say there are around 787 mechanical parts added. Okay, like they fitted the around 7 or more than 700 uh, mechanical parts. So maybe if any one mechanical, we can say part, any one mechanical part is damaged during the flying or anything, the whole plane, means the whole mechanical, you can say mechanical things will be injured. So that is the reason here, if any small thing is getting a trouble, or we can say facing any issue, then the whole, we can say it will affect the whole plane. So maybe this is the reason, we can say. Yes, Anita Di.
Yes, because nobody wants to uh, take blame on,
Yes.
sorry, nobody wants to take blame on ourselves, because everybody uh, is a responsible person, whether it is Air India company, or maybe uh, who made parts of airplane. So nobody wants to, what we call dhabba,
Spots.
tarnish.
Spots.
Yeah, spots also, or
Yes.
tarnish also, kalankit
Yes.
karna.
Yes. Okay.
Nobody wants to tarnish their name in the whole media. So I think there is no mistake about any kind of parts, or I think we are human, or maybe as uh, as as like us, captain or pilot also a human, and they are also suffering from many critical situation. Maybe they're not feeling well, or maybe some kind of depressive mind, or some, maybe many things which is going on in our mind. It's not about, okay, he is a pilot, so he's uh, like he cannot made any kind of mistake. So maybe he is also a human, and he also dead. So nobody
Yes.
wants to uh, tarnish their name. So I think it is just maybe kind of mistake which is happened by any person.
Yes, exactly. I agree with your points. Maybe the human errors, we can say, maybe they were not able to mislead, we can say, guide the properly, and they just, without checking everything, and they just took it the decision of boarding, means flying on. So it can also be the reason. Exactly. I do agree. Yes, Prince. Prince, Prince, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, I am here.
Please.
Actually, electricity has gone back. Sorry.
Okay.
So, ma'am, I whatever I study, I share. But the reason behind means, ma'am, I have such airplane part are manufactured in numbers countries and by the various company with the United States and Europe being the major player in the aerospace industry. Ma'am,
Okay.
I think so. India, United States and Europe make a lot of part of airplanes. So that's why I share. But I know I am clear or not. But I share what is my what I think
Okay.
today. Actually, I read the article and that's why I share, ma'am. I do I reality I know, ma'am. I know some issue comes from there is no one mistake in that particular plan crash. I know the day was not good for those who comes who just why people are going in airplane, why people traveling in airplane. There is train, there is bus, there is a lot of service government provide, but people can't understand. People just say airplane, what is the price is 8,000, 9,000 like that. People invest, people enjoy. But yesterday was not good day for those who leave their family and go means there is a one family in that family there are five members in
Yes.
that particular family and they just sit on the flight and after 2 minutes uh, they I got news they had died because of plane crash and that is the Ahmedabad. So that was yesterday. I was sad because in one family there are five people are died in one time. Five people are died. So that is the really biggest news. That is the very bad news. We can say that Black Day was yesterday's and some people's who leave their family and few people are the means the main part of their the main what is the the main chairman of their family and they working for working for that person also died because of that plan crash and there are there are 5 years 6 years child also died. I was seeing that news and I have find a lot of people who has come from India and peoples want go from others country. But the problem is that uh, people's never think that ki I will go to people think I will go and take the flight and tomorrow and day after tomorrow I will reach my home. But the because of the reason people just in India and they just get that types of shock. So this is the really I can say that this is the really the and the the plane what is the pilot was also very his father was cry a lot in the media. I saw his father means we can say that uh, in Hindi जिसका बेटा जाता है that person feel what is the and जिसकी family जाती है what is the reason what they feel. So it doesn't matter. All India is our family, and all the peoples are our families, like a family members. So we just got it. We can say that never. I never think that happened yesterday. So that's all, ma'am. I can't speak a lot because I am sad after sharing this news. I was really sad yesterday from because of this today my exam, and I didn't work. planned crash what happened yesterday for the people. That's all. Thank you so much, ma'am. If I speak a lot, so I'm so sorry, but
Okay, Prince, thank you so much for sharing. And yes, nobody was happy after listening this news, because basically, if someone is going from your family, if someone is dying in your family, like, you can assume it how it hits hard to that person. Like, we can't assume it basically. So yeah, this is the reason we can say. And as Anita Di, you were in starting sharing about one box. We call it that box black box, and that black box is not a black box. We can say it is a bright orange, and it stores all flights data and cockpit conversation. We can say here after the crash, it helps to understand the pilot were saying and what went wrong in the system. So I think it also has destroyed because of the craft. I don't know about it uh, exactly, but yeah, we have this kind of box, black box. We call it that black box. And this black box you will find in every flight, and it is the reason if any tragedy like yesterday happened, aircraft, and any sudden landing or anything, any any bad thing will be going to happen, then they can get the information about it, like what exactly happened, so that they can not repeat the from the next time. So that is the for it, as we are also learning from the failure, so we can relate it this. After getting the information, they will not repeat the same thing, and maybe they will try to they will try to they will try to okay, hope you are getting. Okay, so now we are three here, and I think we have shared the things very well. So this time to recall, learn some vocabularies as we did yesterday. I think yesterday you both were not there, like here. So and others were there, like Dev and Pushpadi. So we have learned some vocabulary. So in this time I will share my screen. Okay, so there you will get vocabularies. You will get also time to read and try to learn around 1 minute. Okay, and after that I will ask the question and you have to share it. Okay. Okay.
Want to speak English like a pro? Try these words.
Hope this is audible to you all, like you are easily listening to us to this short. Okay, so I am just sharing. You have to
Defame, chide, nauseate, ailment, bicker, assault, auction, slavery, debase, dawdle, comply. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a word. Want to speak English like a pro? Try these words. Defame, chide, nauseate,
and
ailment, bicker, assault, auction, slavery, debase, dawdle, comply. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a word. Want to speak English like a pro?
hope you have heard it. Okay, so I am just asking to you, if you remember, you have to share then. Okay.
ma'am, please mute your mic.
Okay, hope you remember right now. Okay, so I am just asking the question, and then you have to share the Hindi, like. Okay, so bicker, what we call it in Hindi. also very okay. Okay, defame. Yes, Prince.
So in Hindi, badnaam karna.
Yes, yes, defame. And slavery.
Gulami.
Yes, and tide. There was CHIDE, but that was a mistake. That word is TIDE, tide.
Tide, I think clean.
No, not clean. Okay, nauseate.
Bimari.
Okay, hope you are correct because I forget it. Okay, nauseate. Auction, I think. AUCCTION, auction. Auction.
Nilami karna.
Okay, I am sharing you again. Okay, let's see.
Try these words. Defame. Chide. Nauseate. Ailment. Bicker. Assault. Auction. Slavery. Debase. Dawdle. Comply. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell.
Okay, so defame means badnaam karna. There is CHIDE, but it is not correct. Here is
Please
T.
unmute yourself.
Yes, sorry. Okay, so here is defame. In Hindi we call it badnaam karna. Okay, so here we are learning English. We know, mm, like it is very easy when someone asks in Hindi, we have to give the answer that like what is the word English meaning of this word. So we can easily give it the answer. But when someone is asking in English and we have to share in Hindi, what is the meaning of this in Hindi? Then it is very difficult for us, I think. So here, that is the reason I am also not able to give the answer because question was in Hindi. Like I am just sharing you English, but we don't know what is the meaning of this word in Hindi. Okay, so we also have to work on it. Here is defame, badnaam karna, tide, बुरा भला कहना, nauseate, नफरत करना, ailment, बीमारी, bicker, झगड़ना, assault. Yes, हमला करना, auction, नीलामी करना, slavery, गुलामी, and after that I am not able to see it. So okay, we can listen it one more time.
What's the spelling for
So you never
Bura
miss a
Bhala
word.
Kehna? Tide?
Want to
Yes,
speak English like a pro?
THIDE.
Try these words.
yes.
Defame. Chide. Nauseate. Ailment. Bicker.
It is tide or child?
Assault. Auction.
Okay.
Slavery. Debase. Dawdle. Comply.
So basically, the spelling is correct, but we pronounce it tide, not child. Tide. Okay. I don't know. I will research on it also. I don't know, but it is a bit confusing. Okay. Apart from that, we have learned like ailment, बीमारी, assault, हमला करना, slavery, गुलामी. It is we know defame, बदनाम करना. Okay. I will try to learn more. Okay. Okay. Hope this was little bit helpful for us and you also, like for me and you also, because by this, why I did this thing so that we can easily learn. If we will see and I will ask the question, you will easily remember the things. And if you know, then after listening to others, you will get to know. So by this you will in the next time you will get to know, yes, I did not remember, but Prince has shared the answer. That is the reason you have remember right now. So by this we can easily learn it. But we are three right now. I don't know about the Bhumi. Is she is available tomorrow or not?
Actually, she is doing her work, her college work, because she has joined NCC. So that's why suddenly NCC camp gave her some work. So that is urgent.
Okay. Okay. Not an issue. Yeah, Dev is not here, and like he said to me, he is not able to take class today as he is outside. So yes, we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 5 people we will there tomorrow. But yeah, again, Prince and Anidati, if you have more people, but I want these kind of people who can speak English. Like here, I know I do not want beginner. Like where we have to teach them how to speak. So this is not a thing. We just require little bit. He know he can speak and he can share it his views. So I want that kind of people. Yes, Prince.
Ma'am, actually, I am not beginner.
No, you are not a
I
beginner.
speak a lot.
No, I am not talking about it like you have completed the FEA. From FEA, you have learned a lot. We also have learned a lot. So you are not a beginner.
Ma'am, I have given 5 years in APA. I was all volunteer facilitator, and after that, I am sitting here.
Yeah, that is a
And
good thing.
all the move session I have joined, and I have completed 14 moves,
So yeah, that is
and
an
we have
improvement we can say
certificate.
here, no? Yeah, this is an
Ma'am, but
improvement.
into the vocabulary I can't understand. Means in English one time in English, and there is Hindi. So that is that is very difficult to learn for me. Just I listen and just I speak. Listen, ma'am, I want to improve my listening power. Actually, when I listen more, I speak more.
Yes, exactly. When you will able to get others' ideas, and after that you will get your own ideas also. That is the thing. So listening is also important here, because if you are not listening, then how will you reply? Okay. So yeah, I think we have done the class. Is 6:56 right now.
Ma'am, the class was really nice.
Yeah.
Today I learn more vocabularies, and I am talking a lot in English.
That is the reason I am conducting here. I am approaching everyone to join it. You will also get the advantage of it. You can also take the advantage of it. And basically, why I am saying why I am approaching here, so because I want the environment here. And how can I get the environment? Because of the youth. Because we all are interconnected here. We all are depending on each other. I am depending on you also. You are also depending on me. So here we are working as a team. We are working together, and this is the reason we are improving. We are learning more here. As if I do not have a proper knowledge, maybe Anita Di have, and she will say it, then I will also get the knowledge about it. Okay, so here I am getting the knowledge, and we will try to cover the current topics. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so we have done it, and now we will move. Yes, now we will meet tomorrow on Saturday, and Sunday we have chutti. So on that day we do not have any
Holiday,
class.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Bye bye everyone. Take care. Bye bye.